Good evening. For the second time this week, there are changes to mask guidelines at work. State workplace safety regulators rolled back its first set of changes because they did not fall in line with guidance from the state health department or the CDC. Our Phil Blauer is here with some of the rules and more on what happens when the state reopens next Tuesday.
Well, Kathleen, I think it's safe to say for the past week or so, we've been living in a mask of confusion. So tonight, we're hoping that we can finally bring you some clarity on the new guidelines as we get closer to that coveted reopening date in just 4 days.
Under Cal OSHA's new proposal, fully vaccinated employees do not need to be tested or to quarantine after close contact unless they have symptoms. Fully vaccinated employees do not need to wear face coverings except during outbreaks. Employers must verify and document the vaccination status of fully vaccinated employees if they do not wear face coverings indoors. They must explicitly allow vaccinated employees to wear a face covering without fear of retaliation from employers. Physical distancing requirements have been eliminated except for certain employees during major outbreaks, and employers must provide employees who are not fully vaccinated with respirators for voluntary use upon request and at no cost. And during a stop in San Diego to speak about the state's vaccine lottery, Governor Gavin Newsom officially announced the end of the state's stay-at-home order and the retirement of the color-coded system we've endured for the past year and a half. As of June 15th, businesses will be able to operate at full capacity. And again, people who have been fully vaccinated will no longer be required to socially distance and will not have to wear face masks in most cases. However, masks will still be required on planes and in other public transit and inside schools, homeless shelters, and detention facilities.
Now, Cal OSHA's board will talk about the new plan at its June 17th meeting. That's 2 days after the state's reopening. It's going to be interesting to see how June 15 plays out for our economy, our tourism in general, and big capacity locations like Petco Park and concert venues. Kathleen, a lot of people are wondering, will this just be too much too soon with all the lifting of the capacities and the mask guidelines and everything? So we'll have to really wait and see what happens next week.
But we are seeing the numbers fall in line in terms of the case rates and everything else with what the standards would be.
Yeah, certainly that's good news for everybody. But again, as we've talked about, there's going to be a lot of policing going on, especially in the workplace by employers and employees. We'll see again how that all shakes out.
Yeah, it could add a layer of stress for managers across the board. Thank you so much.